students, welcome to our online study YouTube channel. Now in this video you will learn about adsorption isotherm. In the previous video you discussed about adsorption of gases by solids. Okay. If you didn't watch this video, please watch this again. Before watching this video, the link is given in the description box. Okay, let's start. Adsorption isotherm is the relationship Adsorption isotherm is the relationship between the pressure of gas adsorbed gas and the amount of gas adsorbed on solid adsorbent. At any constant temperature. This is called adsorption isotherm. Here, iso means constant, therm means temperature. The name indicates that the adsorption takes place at constant temperature. Okay? The adsorption of a gas on a solid adsorbent in a closed vessel is a reversible process. Consider A is adsorbate, okay, in the gaseous form, and this is solid surface which is solid, okay, solid in nature. Then the adsorption process occurs and a surface, okay, adsorption occurs, and as the adsorbate is gaseous form or in gaseous nature, therefore it easily dissolves and desorption is occurred. That means adsorption is reversible process. If a gas molecule is adsorbed on solid surface, this is called adsorption. If the pressure decreases, then a gaseous molecule from the solid surface will dissolve. This process is known as desorption. Okay, this is a reversible process. An adsorption isotherm may be given in the form of equation or a graphical curve. It may be shown by graphical or equation form. Okay. There are two types of adsorption isotherm. First is Freundlich adsorption isotherm and second one is Langmuir adsorption isotherm. So in this video we will discuss about Freundlich adsorption isotherm. An empirical equation relating the amount of adsorption to the pressure of the gas adsorbate or a concentration of adsorbate at fixed temperature is known as Freundlich adsorption isotherm, which is given as x upon m is equals to Kp raised to 1 upon n. This is for gaseous molecules, gaseous adsorbate. And if you use solution or liquid adsorbate, then our pressure term can be replaced by concentration. Therefore, our Friendly adsorption equation becomes x upon m is equals to Kc raised to 1 upon m. This is for solution adsorbate, where x is amount of adsorbate and m is the gram of or weight of adsorbent. P is the pressure at equilibrium. C is the concentration in solution. Okay, and K and N are equilibrium constant. Okay, if we take log on both sides of a friendly adsorption isotherm, the equation becomes log of x upon m is equals to log k plus 1 upon n into log of p, or log of x upon m is equals to log of k plus 1 upon n log of c. Okay, this equation for gaseous adsorbate and this equation for adsorbate in a solution or a liquid adsorbate. Okay, then this relation is generally represented in the form of curve obtained by the plotting the mass of gas adsorbed per unit mass, that is x upon m or log of x upon m, and against equilibrium pressure or concentration. Equilibrium pressure or concentration. Then our graph should be on x-axis we are taking pressure, equilibrium pressure or concentration. On y-axis we are taking amount of gas adsorbed per unit mass, that is x upon m. For this general representation, the graph should be, the curve is like this. Okay, and if we plot a graph of these for this equation, if we plot a graph for this equation, then our graph should be here log of p or log of c, pressure or concentration. On y-axis we are taking log of x upon m, and here the straight line is obtained. With slope 1 upon n, and the intercept is log k. This is for this general expression and this graph is for this logarithmic expression. Okay. The Freundlich isotherm is not applicable at high pressure. This indicates that Freundlich equation is approximate and does not apply to absorption of gases by solids at higher pressure. Okay, that's all for now. In the next session, in the next video, we will discuss about Langmuir adsorption isotherm. Okay, if you like this video, please give thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.